Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to these two nice trigonometric equations. The first one is secant squared x plus tangent squared x equal to 3, while the second one is cosine 2x equal to sine x. We have a restriction because the value of x has to be from 0 to 360 degrees. Alright, let's get started. Alright, here is the second question. We are asked to find the solution to this equation cosine 2x equal to sine x. This is double angle, right, which we can expand as cosine squared x minus sine squared x, and still this equal to sine x. And you should know that from that famous identity, sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. Definitely cosine squared x is the same thing as 1 minus sine squared x, and still we have another negative sine squared x. This is equal to sine x. Collect the like terms. We have 1 minus 2 sine squared x equal to sine x. Let us take everything to the right hand side. If you take this one to the right hand side, it becomes positive 2 sine squared x. Already this one is to the right hand side, sine x, and if you take this one to the other side, it becomes negative 1. All of this equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation in terms of what? Sine x, which can also be factorized. Take this, multiply by this, you're going to obtain negative 2. Then you think of two numbers to multiply to get negative 2, but when you add them together you get positive 1, which is the coefficient of sine x, and the numbers are 2 and negative 1. So we can rewrite this as 2 sine x, sine squared x, then plus 2 sine x minus sine x, that is minus 1 sine x, minus 1 equal to 0. From the first two terms we have 2 sine x in common, 2 sine x, in bracket we have sine x left from the first term. From the second term we have 1 left if you divide the 2 times by 2 sine x. Then we have minus 1 here as common between these two terms. Inside, if you take this, you divide by minus 1, you get sine x. This divided by minus 1 will give us plus 1. This is equal to 0. We have sine x plus 1 in common, so we factor it out. Sine x plus 1. From the first term, this is what we have left, 2 sine x. From the second term we have minus 1 left, minus 1. All of this equal to 0. This implies either sine x plus 1 equal to 0 or 2 sine x minus 1 equal to 0. From this we have sine x equals negative 1, right? If you take 1 to the other side, or you take negative 1 to the other side, it becomes 1, you divide by 2, you have sine x equal to 1 divided by 2. So now we have two equations in terms of sine x that we have to solve. Let's start with the first one. Sine of what angle is negative 1? It is only sine of 270 degrees, from 0 to 360 degrees. We do not have any angle apart from that. So here x equal to 270 degrees. What about this? Sine of what angle is 1 over 2? We know that we have this solution in first and second quadrants, because if you have a unicycle, we have this to be 30 degrees and we have this to be 150 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees is 1 over 2. Sine of 150 degrees is also 1 over 2. So you can take sine inverse of both sides, it will give you 30, but you take 180 minus 30, it will give you the other one. So we have x here to be either 30 degrees or 150 degrees. So we have three solutions. X could be 30, 150, or 270 degrees. That will satisfy this particular equation. And you can test it to see whether this is true or not. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.